Back at you. Bad girl!
Is it bad that
Wow.
I never made love? No, I never did. But I shouldn't have had
I want you to.
Uy, ang aga-aga ang ingay mo!
I know you're never gonna wake up. I gotta give up. But it's you. I know I should never call back. I let you come back. But it's you. Every time you're searching back.
Hi, Pres.
Ba't yan suot mo?
Bakit? Pogi ko ba?
Di tayo mag-outing, gagawa tayo ng research. Mas mag... Hi, Eileen! Di ko pala nasabi, gagawa rin sila dito. Upo ka na dyan. Ano yung dala mo, Emil?
Ito ba? Pagkain.
Ayun, sakto. Be, labas mo na yung juice. Tadyan! Oh my gosh! 3 flavor? Very good ka dyan, Mi. Ano? Magmemerenda na agad kayo? Wala pang nasisimulan? Mamaya na yan. Tatama rin lang kayo eh. Excuse me, madam. Ang juice na to ay nagpapaganda ng mood at nagbibigay ng energy. Corrected by Englaxunte has glutathione, collagen, vitamin C, L-carnitine, green tea, vitamin B, goji berry, ginseng, and zinc. Ang galing mo dun, be. Next naman, recite the periodic table of elements. Next question, please. Alam, bugsak pa to, be. Ay, sige na, inumin nyo na yan. Ano pa magagawa ko? Tinimplan nyo na eh. Ito sa'yo, Rose, oh. Strawberry. Pati sa'yo, Emil. Para matchy-matchy kayo. Ay, tigilan mo ko, Ruby. Akin na yung juice. Eh, mega girl, gustong-gusto mo. Tawa-tawa mo dyan. Gusto mo pectus?
Tapos na.
Ha? Ang bilis mo naman. Tingin nga. Ba't gano'n? Ang ayos naman ang gawa mo.
Dapat ba hindi?
Hindi ka naman kasi katalinuhan sa classroom. Pero, pag gumagawa ka, okay naman. Tapos, ang bilis mo pa.
Siyempre, andito ka, Pres. Este, nakakagana gumawa dahil ng juice.
Wala natin na in love na si Rose. Di ba type niya yung mga matatalino? Oo, ate. Crush ka niyan, Emil. Uy, hindi. Tumigil nga kayo, mga bisip.
Crush mo pala ako, Pres, ha?
Tumigil nga kayo. Ay, grabe na. Ang tamis nitong juice. Glaxonte is available at TikTok Shop, Shopee Mall, Laz Mall, Free Shop by 7-Eleven, and Healthy Organic PH. Box awat na dyan. Wala pa tayo sa kalahati.
Saying like bing bop boom 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 bop bam. The type of shit I'm on you wouldn't understand. The type of skits I'm on you wouldn't understand.
Have you heard what's happened? Barbie's changed. Barbie's new and different. She's the very same size, but now she comes with a groovy outdoor look. And Barbie's lashes are really for real. And even her face has changed. That's
We're friends. Of course, crush ko tatay mo.
Sa isang sulyap mo ay nabihag ako.
We are... Huh? Kaya pala tanong ka ng tanong sa tatay ko, ha?
No, it was just a joke. Oy, trend man.
We are friends. Of course, ako yung nagnakaw ng 500 mo noon.
Huh? So we brought a pandesal and Oo, nagbili po kami ng kopi ko brown, tapos ito Milo, tapos nagdonat po kami ni Isabel. Ganyan, gusto mo?
That's why he my man. Young and he fine and he tall and he handsome. He's so fine, I might hold him for ransom. Put it in drive, I'm not shy, I'm a lecture. 'Cause all that.
My tea's gone cold, I'm wondering why I got out of bed at all. The morning rain clouds up my window, and I can't see it all. And even if I could, it'll all be great.
Aking pagmamahal, sana na may maramdaman at malaman mo lang na ikaw lang ang isang laman. Ang isang tulad ko na umiibig sa iyo. Sana idinggin ang mga panalangin at tawitin kong to. Aking pagmamahal, sana na may masuklian at ang nais ko lang, sana iyong maramdaman.
Ano? Huwag kayo masuntukan, Len.
Nakayas tahan, boy.
Best friend kita, boy. Tawin na! Hindi kita kaya.
Kami-sama. Ito gabi ni maninimot. I will be knowing food. I want to buy this one.
Dali ng aking pag-ibig, ikaw ang binibini na ninanais ko. Binibining marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo. Sana ay panghabang buhay nga ito. Ikaw ang binibini na ninanais ko. Binibining marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo. Sana ay panghabang buhay nga ito.
A woman stepped into the street and began to dance uncontrollably in 1518. She danced for days without stopping, and soon others joined her. Over 50 people were swept up in the bizarre dancing frenzy. The dancers moved with such intensity that some collapsed from exhaustion, and a few might have died from heart attacks and strokes. Local authorities were baffled, believing it was a curse or divine punishment. Now they tried to cure the dancers by encouraging more dancing, thinking it would expel the madness. But it only spread further, lasting for over a month before mysteriously fading away.
I imagine we fell in love and I'll wander moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us, you with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I leave my heart in your hair, so let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me?
Ako lang na malaman mo, hindi kayang tumbasan ng kahit anong salapi kung ano.
I should know that you're no good for me. 'Cause your heart's in your cold, you're yes then you're no, you're in then you're out, you're up then you're down, you're wrong when it's right, it's black and it's white. We fight, we break up, we kiss, we make up. You don't really wanna say no, you don't really wanna go. Your heart's in your cold, you're yes then you're no, you're in then you're out, you're up then you're down.
You know I still love you, baby. And you'll never change.
I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. 난 다른 사람 싫어, 네가 아니면 싫어. I want nobody. 난 싫어.